Hi there, this is another quick tip video. Did you ever notice the volume of your phone is reduced and you can't hear the other person talk? You may want to try this quick fix before taking your phone to the repair shop or change any of your other settings. All you need is two things, some rubbing alcohol and a Q-tip. Dip the Q-tip in the rubbing alcohol. Make sure you squeeze out the excess liquid. Then wipe the speaker of your phone with a little bit of pressure a few times. Make sure you give it a good rub. Not sure if you guys can see any grime there. Leave it to dry for a few seconds and then wipe it down with the dry end of a Q-tip. And that's it. Might save you some yelling in the phone just like me. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel for such quick tips.